Hey everybody, we're going to take a quick second and talk about rehearsal markings in Dorico, specifically doing custom ones that aren't just a letter or a number or whatever. So the first thing you're going to do is select the measure you want to put it at. Shift A is going to be your shortcut, makes things a lot quicker. And just like everything else in Dorico, when you want to customize something, the easiest way is just to go into this bottom pane here and deal with it there. So with rehearsal markings, I do a lot of pop arrangements, and if you've ever been in a rehearsal with like a pop or a wedding band or whatever, you never want to tell a vocalist, oh, we're going to go at bar 43 here. They're not going to know what that means. You want to give them like an actual, like the way they think about a song. It's psychological. So instead of having rehearsal marking D, this is going to be the start of chorus 3. So what we're going to want to do is I like to call it C3, just for clarity. And what you're going to want to do is select sequence type letters, because you do want it to be a letter. We just don't want it to be D. So the index is going to let you select which letter it starts with. So if you put 3, it's going to equate to C. Boom. And because this is the third chorus, we're going to go ahead and toggle the suffix and put 3. Enter, and that gives us C3. Now, a fun little thing you can do in Dorico, if you don't like letters or if you want to spell it all the way out, you can literally just type it out in the suffix box and say Horace 3, with just C being the front letter, and it makes it chorus 3. I'm sorry for saying Horace, that sounded dirty.